Yeah, I'm Marcus Williamson with MW Steelworks.
All right, Marcus. All right, let's get the shine off of this business card here. Make sure people can get the money shot.
There you go.
Where are you out of?
I'm from Pendleton, South Carolina.
I love it. I'm from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Okay, cool.
We made a long trip to both of us.
Yeah.
This. What do we got?
So basically, starting down here, I have my EDC, the everyday carry fixed blades. They're great for, they come with these little leather pocket sheaths.
Okay.
Great
What are we making these out of?
All these knives are made out of 8670 high carbon steel.
Okay.
And
they're made by you?
Made by me, yep.
Okay.
Handmade. They come with, these come with pocket sheaths. They're easy to carry in your front pocket, concealed.
All right, now, I like this Damascus over here, even though I'm not one of those people that falls for it. I mean, it's beautiful. How are we making that?
That actually, I get all my Damascus from Alabama Damascus.
Okay.
They're such good quality makers of Damascus. It's hard to beat their quality and their prices on that. So.
Now, are these meant to be like no wrap?
Yeah, these are just without the scales.
Okay.
So that they're thin and slip easy into a pocket, back pocket, front pocket.
All right.
I try to make them easy to carry. Then, of course, a lot of people want your traditional handles, so I have a lot of options in those.
All right. So, and then different burls that are used for the wood?
Different burl, different woods, a lot of different micartas, some G10 there. We got this rag micarta.
Nice.
Here. And
so as we keep working, you started to mix it up and you got a little something bigger here.
Yeah, these are more of an outdoor type knives. A lot of hunting knives, skinning.
Yes.
For field dressing and stuff like that.
I've got a friend that I suddenly feel like this might be a birthday present for him.
There you go. There you go. And just kind of move up to just some different utility.
I like exotic. So what's going on right here?
This
is very menacing.
Yeah, that was actually, it's really just a simple utility knife for the kind of, the guy wanted, that we really originally made it for, he wanted something with look dangerous. I made it real pointy there, kind of put the harpoon clip on there, try to kind of give it a little bit of extra flair.
Can you reveal the prices of some of these?
Yeah, like that one's $180.
Very approachable, yes.
The Damascus ones there are $200. The same knife. And
what steel are we using for this?
This is 8670 as well.
Okay. And then you dabbled into some kitchen knife.
Yeah, we do some kitchen knife. I do a 6-inch chef's knife.
Okay.
Then I do this little small kitchen knife.
Yeah, we got like a tall petty we were talking about.
Great for, I have a lot of people use this for backpacking, outdoor cooking.
Yes.
And, you know, they carry with, but they also are great in the kitchen.
Now, is this a new product for you or something you've been doing?
These are fairly new. These are all fairly new.
All right, guys. So this is MW Steelworks, and this is out of South Carolina.
Yep.
Tell them it's an American-made product.
Yep. Everything's American-made, made by me, and my shop there.
All right.
100%.
So I think we can all agree that this was not a dull moment. We appreciate you guys. Keep up.
Sure thing.